green beans. I don't know if you guys can see that. Green beans. Carrots. And spinach. I hope you guys are excited. So first, we're gonna take out your bag of potting mix, one of your blue pots that I have. Okay. So you're gonna fill it with dirt to the second line. So this line. And then okay. So let's say I filled it up to the second line. I didn't want to fill it all the way up because I'm not in a place where I can really get dirty. So let's say you fill it up to the second line, right? So you're gonna take your green beans, they're pretty big seeds, so you only want to take a couple, about 4. See, they look like this. Dropped one. So yeah. So you're gonna take them and you want to space them out. So I like to put them on like the 4 corners, even though it's a circle. So I would like put a little dimple in the dirt like this, and then put the seed in there and cover it up. I like to keep like the finger dimple in there just so you know where you put the seed at. So I do that for all 4 of the corners of the pot. And I have little finger dimple holes, if you can tell, like the small depression. And then you put it in your windowsill or any open space. And this is what it should look like in like 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, depending. But yeah, so they get really big. So just look out for that.
First, go to Lowe's and buy some pots. Then, buy some dirt. Put the dirt up to the 2 lines on the pots. After that, make tiny craters with your finger. Then put in some seeds. Cover it up and start watering it every day. Putting it outside or put it on a windowsill. 2 weeks will go by and it will look like this.